Hello students, and welcome back to my class of English literature. How are you all doing today? Hope you all are safe at home. Today I will give you the summary of the chapter The Conceited Python, written by Ruskin Bond. Before I proceed with the chapter, let me tell you something about the author. Ruskin Bond was born on 19th May 1934. He is a prolific writer who has written in many genres, namely horror, romance and more. But he is perhaps best known for being one of the India's pioneers of children's literature. In 2014, he was honored with the Padma Bhushan Award for his contributions to Indian literature. Now let us look at the mind map of the chapter. Grandfather loved to buy unusual pets. He brought home a python. Everyone was terrified, including Grandma and Toto. She wanted to get rid of it. Aunt Mabel will leave the minute she comes to know about it. Locked the snake in the bathroom and the snake disappeared. Mabel saw the snake in the garden and she packed her bags and left. Then the python was found admiring himself. Grandpa got a large cage. The snake was trapped and was left in the jungle. Now let me give you the summary of the chapter through the mind map that you have already seen. Grandfather loved to buy unusual pets. He paid a snake charmer 4 rupees and brought home a young 4-foot python slinging around his neck. Grandmother was terrified and so was their pet monkey Toto. Grandmother wanted the snake out of the house because Aunt Mabel was supposed to visit their house the next day. And the minute she would have seen the snake, she would have left. She wanted to get rid of it. Therefore, she asked Grandfather to lock the snake in the bathroom. But somehow the snake disappeared. The day Aunt Mabel had arrived, she saw it in the garden and started screaming. After this incident, the python began to make a number of appearances, always in the most unexpected places. Aunt Mabel packed her bags and left. The rest of the members continued searching for the python. It was found admiring himself in the mirror on the dressing table. Then Grandfather got a large cage and placed a mirror at one end and left a juicy chicken and other tasty things. The snake was trapped in it and was seen smiling at its reflection. Grandfather and the gardener then took the cage and left it in the jungle. Children, we will be discussing the activity related to this chapter during our online interactive classes. We will meet again soon with a new video. Thank you and stay safe.